Yeah, John Thomas here, Braeside Racing Stables. I'm located in Toowoomba, opposite the Clifford Park racetrack. At present I'm standing in my tie-up area where we saddle our horses every morning about 3 o'clock before we go to the track. We've now got a rubber matting on the floor here, but previous to that was an old concrete floor. It was starting to get very slippery. I was getting concerned about the condition of the floor. Had read about this rubber matting that Numat had put out and spoke with my farrier and decided to give it a go. Probably one of the things that sold me on this matting when I first read about it was that it's a recycled product with regards to old cycle rubber tyres. I think the way the world's going these days is that we've got to start looking at those sort of things. The other thing with regards to the rubber on this floor here, this was a very uneven floor. I was worried about whether the rubber would sit and not come up or apart or whatever because it all locks in together, but been here for 4 months now and it's had a fair test, I can tell you, and we haven't had any trouble with it lifting or anything like that. And one of the advantages of the matting for me has been when I've had to do some treatment on horses, leg-wise, bandaging, having to get down on my knees on the floor. Found it much more comfortable than being on the concrete. Much quieter in the mornings here when bringing horses out onto it. You don't have the noise as much. And regards to the cleaning of this matting, we've got wide soft brooms that we use on it for the cleaning. It's probably not quite as easy to clean as the concrete, but we get it clean and we pick up afterwards. So as far as manure goes or anything, if a horse has its droppings in here, it's just as easy to clean. The installing of it was a very quick process. The guy that came and did it put it down very quickly. He's been back here and checked it numerous times to make sure that we were happy with it, and I've got to give it a big thumbs up as far as after-sales service with it, as far as the Numat's been concerned. Followed up on it, checked on it, made sure that that I'm happy with it, and yeah, I couldn't be happier actually.